what's up? It's Snow and you're here at Snow by the Day. So long time no see. That's not your fault, that's on me. But I just didn't feel like planning. I don't know, just wasn't into it, wasn't feeling it. But I'm watching ThriftyCraftyQueen because she always just gets me in the mood to play with stickers. Please go check out her channel. She has tons of videos up. And you can find you a video, y'all, I promise you, that will get you back in your planner, back in your sticker book. So yeah, well, in this video particularly, I'm going to go back and plan for this past week that I missed, because I told myself that I was going to do a certain amount of videos this month, and I'm not going to let my little mental breakdown deter me from my goal. So we're going to get right into it now. I'm just going to recap how my week went and the things that I did. So let's go. Watch this spread. We gonna kiki. Like, just act like you're sitting on a couch with me, you know, with a glass of wine, water, tea, cold tea, anything, whatever. So we kikiing real quick. So you probably gonna be like, Snow, girl, what happened to you? You went MIA. You was like perfectly fine last time we saw you. And I'm gonna be like, sis, I know what happened to me is that I'm a Scorpio. Seriously, like, whew, the emotions that Scorpios go through. So yeah, I'm a Scorpio, so that's one thing. When something is heavy on my heart, it is heavy on my heart. I just been in a funk, like bad funk, attitude, irritated, mean. So I just was like, I'm not gonna spread that negativity in the planner world because that's not what planner babes are about. So yeah, I went MIA. While I was going MIA, I had to do some reflection and dig deep. And what I found was very ugly. I found that, you know, am I really grateful for the things that I have? Because I'm over here irritated that, you know, I might not get my house this year. You know, I'm mad because the economy might go down, while all the while I have more money in my bank account than I've ever had in my life. I've actually exceeded over my savings goal for this year, and we're not even at the end of the year. That is not being grateful. So God just was kind of like talking to me, y'all. I just bust out crying, no jokes or nothing. And I just was like, I'm always talking about I'm grateful, but in my heart, am I really grateful, or am I just looking for the next thing? Why can I not just be grateful for the things that I have? So it was me sitting outside at the crack of dawn, praying, meditating, and then it was payday on Friday, and all this happened on Friday. So it was payday. I sat there, I paid all my bills. I know a lot of people complain if they get paid once a month, but I was able to sit in one setting and pay all my bills. Like, can I not be grateful for that? And that's when the tears really just start falling. Like, Snow, look at the blessings that you have, because there's others who, you know, that's not their case, that's not their situation. And I just was like, what if these big things that I'm asking God for, that I've been asking God for, he's just looking at me like, yes, no, like, I can give it to you, but I don't think you're ready because you're not really thankful for the things that I've already provided for you. Girl, planner babes, talk about heavy hitting hard. Like, he hit me hard, and I just had to just stop what I was doing and thank God, because that's a word. That's a word. So yeah, that is my little chit chat. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had a sit down with the Lord and he sat you all the way down and got you together. Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, I'm feeling so much better, and like I said at the beginning, I had to cut on ThriftyCraftyQueen. She's on YouTube and Instagram. I love her so much. She's such an inspiration. And y'all, when I say she got them videos, she drops them 24 hours a day. You don't have to wait till the morning, noon, night. Girl, you be on YouTube and you will see a whole entire video drop at midnight. I play you not. I kid you not. So guys, hey, I'm all done. I'm caught up with this past week, and hopefully this will, you know, juke me back into the flow of planning and stickering, because I do love it. I just, you know, when you get the funk, when the funk hits you, it can kind of hit you. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.